PBS Learning Media, a comprehensive review and insights for parents. Navigating the educational resources landscape can feel daunting, but PBS Learning Media emerges as a beacon for parents and educators seeking quality, curriculum-targeted content for children. This platform offers a wealth of over 100,000 resources for K-12 education, making it a treasure trove for enhancing your child's learning journey. Parents attempting to supplement their child's education with interactive materials find PBS Learning Media an invaluable tool, thanks to its extensive range of topics and age-specific content. The platform simplifies the navigation process with a user-friendly website layout, making educational exploration an efficient process. The key to maximizing PBS Learning Media lies in familiarizing oneself with its categorization by grade levels, subjects, and specific themes under collections. Regular engagement with the platform, including checking new lessons and webinars, enriches the educational experience provided at home. Selecting activities that align with your child's learning curve is crucial. PBS Learning Media facilitates this with a broad spectrum of content, from beginner videos to complex projects, catering to diverse learning needs and interests. Understanding how to effectively navigate the vast online repository of PBS Learning Media is essential for finding age-specific materials. The platform's expansive range and filtering options make it easier to locate suitable learning resources for children across all grades. A notable feature is the Parent Notes section accompanying each video, offering insights for enriching parent-child discussions, thereby making the learning experience more relevant and engaging. For busy parents, streamlining the search process on PBS Learning Media is key. Utilizing specific search parameters, filters, and the Favorites feature can significantly simplify finding and retrieving high-quality educational content. PBS Learning Media stands out for its comprehensive, curriculum-aligned resources designed for educators but equally beneficial for parents. Its interactive lessons, videos, and virtual labs cover a wide range of subjects, enhancing the instructional experience. Customizing lesson plans with interactive features on PBS Learning Media aligns with the current educational shift towards technology-driven teaching methodologies, making lessons more engaging and personalized. The platform's integrated assessment tools provide a critical function by offering real-time data on student performance, aiding in the monitoring of individual learning outcomes and identifying areas for improvement. Collaboration between homeschooling and traditional classroom environments is greatly enhanced by PBS Learning Media. It serves as a bridge, offering shared resources that benefit from the strengths of both educational approaches. PBS Learning Media is a powerful ally for parents and educators in the quest to provide a comprehensive and engaging educational experience for children. Its vast resources, coupled with user-friendly features, make it an essential tool for enriching the learning journey, ensuring students are well equipped to navigate their academic paths successfully.